What we're going to do today is we're going to talk about how to use the Loom screen recorder. First things first, we have to install it. So from the Chrome Web Store, just search Loom. And it'll be the first one, probably, that you see. Just click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. As soon as it's done installing, it should pop up right about here. There it is. You can close that. Probably doesn't matter. I haven't read it. And then just click the Loom button, and it'll just say you have the option to record your screen and cam. Oh, I wasn't prepared for that. Whoops, there I am in the bottom left corner. Fix my hair. You can record your screen only or your camera only. So I'll do my screen plus camera very quickly. I'll click Start Recording and Share. And you can select, you can share your entire screen or just the application window, whatever you'd prefer. Click Share. It'll give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown. There I am in the bottom, and I can do whatever I want. Right here, very easy. The finish recording, the cancel recording, or the pause. If I need to pause recording for just a second, I lose my train of, or stream of train of thought, that's what it's called, pretty easily. So I'd have to click the pause button to think about what I was going to say. So click Finish Recording, and immediately it'll take me to the Loom website. And here is my video. If I wanted to play it, you'd be able to hear me talking again. And so from here, what I can see, so there's a button right here that says Copy Link, and you can share this directly with students if that's what you'd like, or whoever you're sharing it with. Lots of times I'll just record a stream of consciousness video and I'll tweet it, or I'll send it to someone who I'm collaborating with. You will be able, or you can download it. It'll take a few minutes just for it to process the video. And then there's the share button. You can share it Gmail, Facebook, Twitter. You can embed it or just share the link, but just click and copy link there. From here as well, you can trim your video. You can password protect it so that maybe only your students can see it, only specific students, whatever you want. And then there's additional settings. You can turn on and off comments, comment email notifications. So a few things there. And, that's about it. You'll also find out who or how many people, have viewed the video. And then a really cool feature that I almost forgot to mention, it provides automatically a link to the page that you were on. So I was on this blank slide presentation, and it's got, let's see if I click that. Well, let's see what happens if I just copy it. I'm sure it'll just take me straight to that blank slide show. If I paste that here, what happens? Yep, straight back to that untitled slideshow. So that's about it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Play around with it. You might notice some other awesome features.